excited? Go.
Hi, I'm May Makki. I'm one of the curators for the Derعية Contemporary Art Biennale 2026. When Noura and Sabih invited me to join the curatorial team, they were sharing about their thinking of the exhibition as a series of processions, movements, flows, both historic ones like pilgrimage, migration, flows of capital, but also currently unfolding changes and shifts in the region. And right away, I was thinking about this through the lens of sound. Musicality and sound appear through the exhibition as a medium, but also was a way of structuring the exhibition itself as something that can be listened to, a certain kind of attunement that we can encourage for visitors, walking through and really experiencing in an embodied way. For the last few years, I've been focusing on new commissions of sound and performance and different kinds of installations. And I was quite excited to do that here in this context. One of the reasons I love working on new commissions so much is it can be an opportunity for an artist to test out a new aesthetic, technology, or line of research. And that comes into play here with close to 20 new commissions for this exhibition. The outdoor commissions are imagined to be sites of gathering and exchange. Some invite rest and contemplation, while others invite more active participation. This reflects the overall approach to create experiences of contemporary art that can be inhabited and experienced rather than just observed. An exciting part of the process of developing the commissions with artists is actually in the development stage, where they're meeting new people here, there's different introductions and connections being made, and those manifest in the artworks, but are also the basis of relationships that will continue on past the exhibition. For me, an exciting aspect about this Biennale in particular is how many people actually attend from Derعية and Riyadh. So there really is the idea that visitors may return more than once to experience the exhibition. With the outdoor commissions in particular, this guided an approach where some of them actually physically will change over time and over the course of the exhibition. And this was also important for the idea of creating not just flows of passage through the show, but also sites for rest and contemplation to really process what one is experiencing and taking in.